goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like look no further, look no further.
Welcome back to Dana and Mama's channel. I'm currently in Chiang Mai and it's raining here. This is our first day here. We landed about 12 noon I guess, and then we're here staying at the Pur Satitam. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how it looks like outside. This is how the hotel looks like outside. This is the parking area. That's the pool, as you can see, the blue one. And let's get inside. Here, this is the hotel name. Uy, this is Bogoy BJ. This is the first floor. This is the lobby, the receiving area, the reception itself, and this is the swimming pool area. We have a laundry room. You can use this steamer and you can use the iron as well. And this is the lift. This is the reception. They have food in here. You can have a coffee and some snacks as well. Hi! And this is the swimming pool area. Then let's go upstairs. I'm gonna use the staircase for now. Just gonna show you how it looks like from the second floor. Yeah, that's how it looks like here in second floor. Not really a second floor. That's the entire hotel property. Let's go up once again. This is how it looks like from the second floor. This is at the Pur Satitam Hotel here in Chiang Mai. Fit check. Welcome to Chiang Mai. Day 1 in Chiang Mai. At dahil maulan kinahapunan, lumabas na lang kami ng dinner. Nag-try kami ng kanilang mga signature dishes. Kinabukasan, maaga kaming gumising kasi mayroon na kaming activity na nakabook. Breakfast here at the Pur Satitam. And of course, won't miss coffee. Bottled water, fruit juice and milk. They have bread here. Okay. And then toaster, bread, jams, pastry, this one, salad section, and then your view on your breakfast. Around 7:30 na pick up na kami ng aming sundo sa hotel mismo. Mahaba-haba din yung biyahe, mga mahigit 2 oras. Ito na yung lugar. Actually, may fog pa siya kasi maulan-ulan that time. Ayan, narating na rin namin ang kanilang location. We're going to zipline from this platform. This is the King Kong Smile zipline here. After namin mag-sign ng waiver at may kinausap kami, kumuha kasi kami ng photo and video package, bumaba na kami dito. Ang allowed lang na pumasok dito is yung mga mag-zipline. Things here. It also provides a locker. Here it is. They also have a locker here.
Eto, in-enjoy ko lang yung moment kasi hindi kami nagdala ng phone doon sa baba. Itong video na to ay kasama doon sa package na nakuha namin. Actually, mas makakamura kayo kung kukuha kayo ng package as group. Binayaran lang naman yata dyan is 1,700, 5 na kami. Which is unlimited photos and videos na sila ang kukuha. Actually, hindi ka makakapag sabi na, kuhanan mo ako. Sila ang magdi-decide kung kailan sila kukuha ng videos and photos.
I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like
We're done. After few platforms, we did not finish the entire platforms. We walk from that side until here. Walk. It's so steep. And Josh is still there. Where's Josh? Josh is still there, resting. This is the zipline name, King Kong Smile Zipline. This is like the reception. I'll go show you to the King Kong area. This is the company, King Kong Smile Zipline. You can order coffee on this side. They have a locker there, and then they will do a orientation on this platform, and then it starts here. They have a really good English speaking guide, reception as well. They're all really good English speaker. And this is the view doing the zip line. It's really relaxing actually. And we book a package via Klook. The lunch is included. We have rice. We have a stir-fried vegetables, green curry, omelette,
Clear soup.
clear soup. It's so clear. Pad Thai, of course, without anything. Condiments, dessert. Oh, banana. This is my favorite. Banana in coconut milk. And then they also have fruit, which is the banana. And then while eating your lunch, while having your lunch, this is your view. So pretty. We're here in Chiang Mai market, local market. I'm not sure what we're buying, but we're here anyway. We're gonna look around. Do not touch. This is the second floor. We're here in a local market in Chiang Mai. I'm with Bugoy BJ. Ben is somewhere there, is somewhere there, Luan is somewhere there, and I'm just following BJ para mabudol. I did not buy anything yet. We're going to find some clothes, bag for his wife. Chiang Mai local market where you can buy all the sweets, foods in here, and other stuff. We're gonna play archery with an instructor for an hour. Thailand outdoor. And this is the place for an hour.
Compound boat. So we can start one on the bathroom door. Yeah. Yeah, it's the one on the bathroom door. We're gonna show you how to shoot. He's also an athlete.
Wow, an athlete.
The first you stand on the line, you feet balance your shoulder.
So it's gonna be the same with the
Touch grip and the yellow have 3 weeks and it I show 3 steps. You shake your feet and you shake your body and first
Ayan, sa isang oras na paglalaro nitong archery, napaka-informative at napakabait ng aming mga instructors. Actually, mga national team sila, which is really a privilege. So, ito yung aking points. Ayan, naka-yellow naman kahit papano, kahit hindi bullseye, okay na rin yan. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for part 2.